Hi there, this is Diecast channel, and in this video we're going to do a review on this 1969 Dodge Dart Swinger made in a 1/18 scale by Highway 61. So stay with me to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe in case you haven't subscribed yet. Give me your thumbs up, share this video, and also click the bell for news. So let's unbox this car and take a better look at it right now. 1969 Dodge Swinger. This was a very successful car in the United States back in the end of 1960s and beginning of 1970s. This body style started in 1967. It had some minor changes such as grille, tail lights, exterior trim, minor cosmetics. Dodge Dart was available as a two-door coupe, four-door sedan, convertible. In 1967 it was basically Dodge Dart and Dodge Dart GT. In 1968, GT became GT Sport, which is also named GTS. In 1969, we had Dodge Dart GTS, and then Swinger was introduced as a basic option with engines that ranged from the Slant 6 to the 383 V8. There were some 440 Dodges, some Hemi Dodges, but those were special versions. This Dodge in particular is a Dart Swinger, which was the basic model. This model car made by Highway 61 is made with perfection. The painting job has a great quality. All details are very well made, all trims, except for the trim around the windows, the windshield and rear window that are made with chrome foils. They're very well made and very realistic. We have very realistic headlights, very well-known grille for 1969. This grille is very well reproduced by Highway 61, even though it's not an actual grille, but the mesh is very realistic with all chrome elements. For Dart Swinger, they were all chrome. For Dart GTS, they would be blackened in between those horizontal trims around blinkers in the center horizontal line. The upper and the lower trim would also be chrome, with all other elements made in black. The Dodge logo that's made and photo etched. For a GTS, there would be a GTS logo right here in the center without this Dodge logo on the driver's side. The fake air intakes for 1968 were replaced by those two trims with the engine number for 1969. The bumper looks very realistic. The headlights and bezels look also very realistic. Rivets and bolts look also very realistic in this model car made by Highway 61. 340 V8 in the engine bay was made in blue just like the actual car. 344 barrel sticker on the air filter pan that looks very realistic. We have all cables and wires, the valve covers that were made with a very good realism. Radiator hose, radiator cap, the front panel, grille, the engine bay itself that looks very realistic, the battery, factory sticker, brake master cylinder, and also the water reservoir that looks very nice and very realistic. Interior of Dodge Dart with the very realistic door opening, very nice proportion mirrors, open and vent windows, and interior with lots of details. A dashboard that looks very realistic with very high quality decals and some chrome trim details. Steering wheel with the horn trim for Dart Swinger. For the Dodge Dart GTS, it would be a different 3-spoke steering wheel that was a little bit more similar to that one in the Dodge Charger. We can notice the pedals, the rubber mats, the bench seats that tilt, and very realistic details. Interior is all made in black. Realistic door panels, cranks, locks, trim, and the bench seats with a gear lever right here in the steering column. Unlike all Highway 61 models, very realistic headliner with a courtesy dome light and adjustable sun visors. The rear end of a Dart, very nice lines. I really like this curved line in the rear window. I think it looks very charming. Very realistic trunk lid with a Dodge logo. There's no trim here. We see the gas pipe that goes from the gas intake to the gas tank. That's underneath this mat, as well as a spare tire, trunk lock, rubber seal, and very realistic trunk like in a real car. The hinges are also very realistic and very well reproduced. The car undercarriage with a very good realism. We have primer color in the center, body color towards the edges, very realistic gas tank, spare tire bay, dual exhaust, drive shaft. This drive shaft actually spins, front wheel steer, suspension works, and we have all components in different colors. The dual exhaust also looks very realistic, and it's made in metal color with different colors for the tips. We also have engine and transmission in the correct colors. Very nicely made model car. Ranking this car from 0 to 10, I would give it a 10. I really like Dodge Darts. They're among my favorite cars. And these models made by Highway 61 have perfection in all details. And all details were very well taken care of. So I think this is a very important addition to my collection. So I'd like to thank you for all likes and views, for all subscriptions. Please don't forget to subscribe in case you haven't subscribed yet. And let me know down in your comments what you think about the video and about the car. And also give me your thumbs up and share this video and click the bell for news. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.